everyone. Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. Thank you for joining us today. Happy New Year to all. Hope you had a fantastic Christmas and New Year and holiday season spent with loved ones or even just time by yourself, because that could be a present in itself. We have here some of the birthday wins from my 12-hour birthday, November 26th. I turned 51 and we did a 12-hour stream. Had a fantastic time, and we made stuff to give away to everybody. So I had 4 giveaways of a quilt kit that was gifted to the quilt shop. So it was gifted to me, so therefore I gifted it again. That's because we like to do that here. And this is one of the winners. This is going to Maddie's mom. She wanted a light backing with a light thread and medium density on the quilting. So what better yet than to do mermaids? So I'm going to put mermaids on here. We're going to use a light gray. We have the beautiful sea turtle white on white fabric you can see here, as well as the lovely maple leaf. And it was just a lovely color combination, and we're just going to get going here. I thought, why not? Let's mermaid it up. And I just chose light gray. I didn't want to go white because I didn't want it lost on the white on white. So it should show up just a little bit of detail. So they're doing the shape of the body right there. You can tell it's like a heart, and there's a little, you know. Now working on the hair. So just enough color to be able to be seen, but still light enough to not overpower. So not a red. I almost thought of a light pink or a light purple, but then I thought maybe that might have clashed with the red a little bit. So I thought, you know what, just stick with the light gray. Stick with the light gray and see how it goes. Oh, so cute. Loving it. So this is going to stitch out. I'm going to try and give as many details as I can about their quilt projects as they come onto Walt. So you have a little bit more a guideline to go by, okay? So this is a 3-row stitch out, and it is going to stitch out 1, 2, 3, 4 times the block that normally you would stitch. It's going to stitch out 4 times across, and then it's going to go 3 rows. And that should give it a nice medium density stitch out. When I had first set it up, it gives you, when you put in your parameters of where you want it to go and how long your quilt is or how wide your quilt is, it gives you an option for like a high dense, like it's a dense quilting. So it gave me the option of 6 of them. So it would have only been about, you know, that big coming along for the first one, right? And that's too dense, especially when the request was a medium, right? Not dense. So, and I think this is going to look absolutely lovely. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. And it matches with the sea turtles fantastically. They're working on another mermaid right now. There is 3 in the block stitch out. So we're going to have quite a few. We're going to have quite a few mermaids going along here. There was 4 projects that came out of this birthday stream, the 12-hour birthday stream, and there was 2 quilt tops like this, and 1 table runner, and sides to a bag. I did end up making the other side, and I need to finish off the bag, so that'll be coming soon. Looking good, so nice. And you can see how close I came right up to make sure that when binding, you're not going to lose part of the pattern. And it comes right up next to it. Beautiful. Look how pretty she is. All their little shells and waves. And pearls. Pearls of wisdom. Yeah, not too dark and not, it doesn't get lost. I feel like it's not going to get lost in the quilt top. You still will be able to see it. And it adds a nice little texture to it too. It's quite pretty. I really like this pattern. I purchased it actually for a customer in about 2018, I think, for a nautical quilt or where he waters undersea sort of quilt for, I think it was a granddaughter. And it's nice to be able to use it again. And I was searching through the patterns thinking what would be nice, what would be kind of cute on this one, because the option was mine. And I thought, you know, let's go mermaids. Let's go mermaids. Why not? It just goes with it. We can have mermaids here on the East Coast. They're just frozen mermaids. Mermaids of the frost. So I want to say a big thanks to everybody, their support that they've given us over that last year. We're bringing in 2023 with good vibes and cheer. We got customer quilts to work on. It's always fantastic when you can work on customer quilts. So, and there's one actually behind me. Hopefully you'll be able to see that at the end. We did have footage of it being stitched up, but unfortunately the internet gods decided to gobble it up and send it to no man's land. So we did end up losing it, which was sad, but I'm hoping still be able to make point of it because it is very important. It came all the way, it was made in Vancouver, had a pit stop in Ontario, and has made its way to our quilt shop here in Lionsbrook, Nova Scotia. So I'm very happy to have it here, and it's going to go all the way back to Vancouver. So lovely project going coast to coast. And it's got some good memories made with it. So it's a young quilter. And I was very happy and pleased to be able to quilt it up with a hearts and swirls pattern. And it looks amazing. They did amazing piecing on it, and they did a beautiful job. I'll try to include a picture of it at the end of the video so you could really see the detail on this really pretty quilt. Not on the one you're watching right now, but the one behind me hanging. What a lovely gift to get. And then we ended up making 4 gifts for 4 people out of that. That was so lovingly gifted to us. I really appreciate that. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. I just have to get the finishing information on the other one. I think they wanted minky backing to it, but I'm not 100%. And then, of course, the table runner as well. And then we can get those all finished up and mailed off. So it's good fun. Good memories from last year, being able to celebrate and have and make some great memories with everybody. Appreciate your time you take to hang out with us and hang out in our chat channels if you're there, or just leave a comment. It really means a lot. All right, we're going to let Walt finish up here. Going to check him out, and then make sure you check out right to the end of the stream where you can see some really detailed photos of that beautiful quilt project behind me. Like I said, unfortunately, the footage of it being filmed got lost, and I'm a little sad by that, considering it came such a far way to get quilted up, and I really wanted to make it a showcase. But things happen, and I'm sorry, but it's beautiful, and I loved quilting it, and thank you so very much for the opportunity. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you soon.